everyone, thanks for watching Rainbow tutorial video. Today we will show you how to use the flat embroidery free. At first we need to install the flat embroidery table on machine. You can see this side is downward and we can put it on table holder of machine like this. No need to fix it by screws, just put it on the table holder. And then we can put frame on the table and fix it on x-axis of machine by the 3mm screwdriver. Also fix the screws at another side. Now we can move frame to left side and backward for easy fixing fabric on the frame. Also change it to the last needle to make the machine head move to right side. Then we can put fabric on the frame and fix it by the clamps. Okay, let's go to the control screen and select the design which you will embroider and then select the frame. This frame is the one which we had installed it on machine, so we select this one, click yes. Okay, you can move the frame to adjust the embroidery position. The frame only can be moved by the control screen when machine is on. So don't move the frame manually when machine is on, or machine will lose its position. Okay, now we move the design to this position of the frame, and we can click this to check embroidery position, embroidery arrow in the frame. The right laser point indicates embroidery arrow. Okay, after we confirming the embroidery position, we can click this to set color for the design. You can see there are 4 colors for the dragonfly. We can change it to be yellow dragonfly. The first color is this arrow. We can change it to be blue. And the second color is this arrow. We can change it to be green. And the third color is this arrow. We can change it to be yellow. The last color we can keep it to be black. Okay, click yes, and click this button to make the machine to be ready status. Then after everything confirming, we can click start button. The machine will start to work.